Man, today's a special day. Why? Because I've been walking all over these parts on my way back home. Yeah, I know. I've been saving up a lot. And I decided to splurge. No, but in all seriousness though, here we are in Potsdam, and we're outside of Berlin, and this is where the Prussians would hang out, at least the upper echelons of Prussia. And they decided to build sort of this chateau. And the chateau, the idea behind it was to mimic Versailles. Obviously, it didn't quite get there, but pretty damn close. The grounds around here are absolutely stunning. I mean, just beyond over there is just parkland. It's huge. There's Roman baths over there. And there's another smaller palace over there called Sans Souci, which basically means no worries in French, which was one of the Frederick kings, I forgot his name, Frederick II or something, 1745, decided to build this little chateau outside of Berlin to chill out, just to chill. It was small, it was comfy, at least, you know, for his standards. For us, it's fucking massive. And this castle over here, the Grand Palace, was built to entertain and to impress. But all I can say is, boy, I wish I was royalty back then. Maybe not the king, because I guess he'd be too busy with paperwork and trying to run the country. But, you know, maybe his right-hand man or something. The parties here, I can only imagine. You know? The parties, the hunting, the flute, the violin, everything. The pompousness. Yeah. When I come here, I think it's therapeutic. You know, the first thing I thought about was like, man, this place is so relaxing. The grounds are beautiful. It's so damn relaxing. Anyway, that's it. The Grand Palace. Actually, come over here. Look at that. Look at that lampshade. You know, it makes me want to cry almost. It's like that beautiful. And over here, just all these intricate sculptures. You know? I guess a lot of it is influenced by ancient Rome. Love this guy. Little cherub-like. Fatty. Cheeky. But this one, here's another one. So beautiful. Wow. Obviously today is not the nicest day, but imagine a summer's day. There's a big cloud here, but imagine the sun hitting this place. Or imagine this place in winter, you know, with beautiful snow covered all over the place. Magical, absolutely. Oh. Oh well. That was the past, and now we live in the present.